like expensive lures out here because of the fact that you probably see all this lily pad stuff out here. Just got snagged up on that. Just there and then that. Thanksgiving Day, you know, looking forward to getting home, you know, and having some Thanksgiving turkey and stuff. Mom's got all that set up. Hopefully I don't have to leave here with a fish, because if I end up getting one of these fish and I gut hook it again, I'm going to be leaving with it, sadly. I don't really want to keep fish out here, but I kind of am interested to see how bass taste, though. I've never had bass before, but at the same time, I don't really want them. But I'm like, hey, you know, unfortunately, I try not to set the hook on them when the gut hook. He's on. Oh, I got him. Ooh, dang, he hit that hard, boy. Whew. Look at this one. Look at this bass. It's a small one, though. Hopefully I didn't mess. Ooh, wow, I almost lost this one, boys. Look at this. Hold on, we gotta get my phone out real quick, man. Whew, god dang. See if I can get this phone out. Gotta make sure we get this picture here. There, we got a picture here. Alright. I gotta make sure we don't. I got him set. I hooked him good, so I got him good in the top of the lip by the nose. So, that's nice. Nice bass, man. See if we can get a smile on that one. Beautiful bass, a little small. I think you guys can maybe see. Let me see if I can put this phone back in my pocket here. You guys might be able to see the bass, maybe. You know, I'm trying to see if you guys can see it or not. Anyways, let's go ahead and release him in the water over here. I hate the way these bass, you know, they end up really messing up my fingers, man, with their teeth. You think they don't got teeth, but they got teeth, and I'm surprised how he hit it. It hit that pretty good. Sadly, though, I done lost my big worm from that, because it's destroyed now. One thing I hate about these dang worms that I buy, the minute they hit them, they are destroyed. So let me just send this over to the parents real quick. Gotta make sure they know that we're landing some fish over here. Oh yeah, we don't want to. I definitely don't want to be showing you guys. Yeah, hold on, man. Whew. See if we can cover up this camera here. See if I can text my mom this picture. I don't know where her name is in here and stuff. There we go. Alright. See if I can get a picture here. I just wiped my phone out, by the way, so. Hopefully that's sending. Let me make sure it's sending real quick. Perfect, it's sent. Alright. So, doing better so far than I did the other day. I mean, I already got one fish on. I set the hook in time. We didn't take anything where it, you know, this worm is done for, though. I think I completely might have destroyed this one. Maybe, yeah. It's kind of looking like this worm actually might be destroyed. I don't know if you can see how it's broke right there. I think this one might be done for, I don't know. Probably focuses garbage and stuff. But, yeah. Now I'm probably going to have to switch to a different weight now, because probably not going to work too well with the smaller worms that I have, but I'm going to try to see if I can reuse this worm or not without putting on these other